Hi, crafty angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here today with a purchase order from Junk Journal Shop, who is Johnny here on YouTube. And it is one of her assemblage collections. And this is collection number 2. So, as you can see, it's nicely wrapped. And she's got a sticker to state what it is. And I want to try to save this tissue paper soon. And I can save the sticker also, so I can put it on something. So let's open this up and look at all the goodies in here. So I'm going to remove this. Let's see. Okay. So now, let me see. Ooh. A lot of goodies in here, y'all. It is a junk journal. And here, let me move some of this out of the way so we can get this done. Okie dokie. Let me see where I can put this so I can reach it for the next piece. Okay. So we got this kit, part of the kit here. And in here we have the cover of a ledger, the back of the ledger, and we got this. Okay. Then we got this one. And we have the chipboard. We have masonite board to make the journal. There's 2 pieces of that. Okay. And we have some cardstock, which is the thing for the spine here. Here's a piece of ribbon and a piece of mesh. Okay, that's for this kit, part of the kit. Okay. I'm gonna stick that like that, so I can put this part back in here. Seal that. Leave that to the side. Next one. I mean, she's got everything in here, y'all. And each part of the kit has the number with the collection on it, okay? Now, these are pins. They go in here. Let me see, get the staple out so I don't scratch myself. See? I don't know what I'm going to use these for yet. It is part of the kit. And then we have this box here. I forgot what she used it for, but the pins go like so. Okay. I'll put this in here so I don't lose it. Uh-oh. Okay, so we got that, and she gave us a roll of tape, of score tape. So that goes in there. Put that away. Now, I don't know when I'm going to assemble this kit. It's just, I'm trying to get ideas. And here's the thread and the needle to do the sewing of the signatures. Okay. And then here's part of the stuff that goes inside the journal. We got a little file folder here with these two nibs here. We got a playing card that we can use as a journaling card. We got 3 nibs here. We have some stickers. We have a little frame here. Okay. We have this music card on the back of a library card. We have, you're not too old. Well, thank you. You're vintage. Thank you. And then we have this divider. So we're going to put this all back in because we don't want to lose any of the pieces. So we're going to put the pieces right back in the little bags so none of it gets lost. Okay, we got that. We have this piece of craft paper. Ooh. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we have a tiny little envelope. We have some special delivery and poison labels. Put those to the side. We have a cute little picture here of some buildings. We have a letter here. Is this one of the love letters? We shall see. We shall see. And here's another letter. And here's another one. I love the handwriting on these, y'all. Okay. Okay. We got that. Now we got this package. We have some tiny little tickets. We have some, looks like handmade paper, mulberry paper. Auto Bridge Advanced course. And then we have this ledger. We have this divider here. We have these vintage pictures with the monkeys. See, speak, and hear no evil. We have this doily. We have this card here from the library. And we have this envelope with some embossed stuff on it. And then we have this piece of paper here with this one. So far, I like this kit. The Assemblage number 2. Very inspiring from what I'm seeing. And then we have this. Oh, we have some Braille paper here. And a divider for a binder. We have this part. Looks like it came from a photo album with this piece of paper in the back. I'm not going to pull this out. And then we have all of this paper. Okay. Let me pull this all out. Okay, we have what looks like handwritten ledger again, but very, very vintage. And we have this paper. Oh, that one. This. This one. That one. Blue and pinks. Then we have this. This I think I can scan into my computer and save it for future journals. Then we have these. We have this paper, ledger paper. Oh, there's a lot of things I can do with this kit, y'all. Missouri Railroad, valuable papers. Oh, look at this. Some delivery things. Some of this I'm going to scan into my computer before I use the kit. That's some dictionary paper. Some, looks like wrapping paper here. More dictionary paper. Travel tours. Let me turn this around. Here's another ledger. Plain paper. Another plain piece of paper, but this one looks like it's got texture on it, which is cool. We got grid paper. Ooh, looks like it's been ventified. There we go. And then we got this piece of clear acetate, more dictionary paper and book paper, cool beans. I don't know what kind of paper this is. If Johnny's watching, she can tell me. Here's some more, looks like math, but it's really vintage. And then some coffee or tea dyed paper. So that is the full kit. So she has different kits each time. So if you want to purchase one, I will link her shop down below in a description box so you can get your kits. So I will say this in closing. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please hit the red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, stay safe, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.